Quick disclaimer here, trading is very risky and carries a high level of risk. Anything said here is not a financial advice. Make sure you trade with money you can only afford to lose. Stay safe. All right. It's nice to have everyone back again. And as this video is titled, the best day trading strategy that will change your life, because I just want to share with you guys, like I said, I'll be sharing with you sometimes analysis, sometimes tips. Okay, so today is day for tips. All right, now first of all, let's quickly look at what we had last week. We had some issues last week, so I was not able to post, but for the previous analysis I was expecting a buy from this Euro CHF demand zone over there, and look at what we got. Almost mitigated. Definitely I'll have deleted my pending order because of the almost mitigation over there, and look at the movements to the upside. So I would have deleted this, and then it still later went up again, but I don't think I have issues with that. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD is playing out nicely. Looking at it, it's sold from this crazy supply zone over there. Remember what I taught you guys about supply zones that have long wicks? You can either use the wick or what's the body, you understand? But for me, you can use the wick like that, and you can see what's happened. Price mitigated, it's clean and still dropping from there. So we didn't have any analysis prior to last week. I think this one didn't play out. Moving to the next one, we have GBP CHF. Okay, GBP CHF played out well. I was expecting a buy from here and then a sell from there. You can see the sell played out massively. I think we've seen this already, and it's still ranging. Okay, it's slightly ranging. Moving to the next pair, GBP JPY. I think we've looked at this previously, and yes, price is still doing the most. Okay, and last but not the least, we have BTC. Yes, okay, so I was expecting some sales over here. Wow, this didn't play out. Then let's see, then I was expecting something here too, but that is playing out right now. Okay, that is playing out right now, which is very, very beautiful to see. Okay, let's go back to the weekly time frame and see what we are expecting. Okay, so I'm still expecting more drop, but at least it has dropped to where I was expecting it to drop, which was here. Okay, that was where I was expecting it to drop, and it has dropped there. Okay, let's move to the daily time frame. Okay, I think it's the daily time frame. Okay, so it has dropped there and it is reacting from that demand zone. Okay, but still there's still a probability of it to continue dropping since it has hit the daily supply. This is the daily supply zone over here. This is the daily supply zone, and it is currently reacting from that. So there's high probability of what's more selling opportunities. And right now, for the next session on BTC, we can expect something from here. Yes, so you can expect a mitigation from there. That is only what I'm expecting on BTC USDT. So as today's title says, the only day trading strategy you need to know. So without further ado, I'm going to get started, and we're not going to take so much time on this, you understand? So what is day trading? That is the first thing you want to ask yourself. That okay, day trading, most people, for me, I day trade and I swing, you understand? Sometimes I day trade, but most of the time I swing, because when you hold for a very long time, you get more pips, you understand? So that is just it. But day trading, you have to know the meaning of day trading. Day trading is trading, buying and selling, yes, just within the day, for the day, you understand? It means you are only taking some positions just for the day, you understand? And there are some guidelines to it, you understand? There are some guidelines to it. You don't have to look for all the time frame before you get your day trading strategy. You have to know that when you are trading day trading, you should do your normal analysis, that is the normal breakdown analysis on the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame. In fact, you might not need the 4-hour time frame. You might just need the 4-hour time frame to refine. But most importantly, you need your what? You need your 1-hour time frame, because that is the time frame of the day. That is the time frame of the day. Then after the 1-hour time frame, it is what? The 15 minutes time frame. The 15 minutes time frame is very, very powerful. I feel like it's more powerful than the 30 minutes time frame. That is what I feel like, because when you are taking some trades on the 15 minutes time frame and you're seeing some demand and supply zones on the 15 minutes time frame, when you look at it on the 30 minutes time frame, it might not be there. You understand? It might not be there, but when you're looking at it on 15 minutes, it is there, and it is very, very clean, and price will play out perfectly from the 15 minutes time frame. So when you are trading, day trading, don't stress yourself too much on the smaller time frames like the 3 minutes and 5 minutes, because those time frames are the scalpers time frame. You understand? Scalpers time frame, that's 3 minutes. So for me, I don't use 3 minutes. I don't even use 15 minutes. Remember, I told you I'm a swing trader, so I trade with only the daily time frame and the 1-hour time frame. In fact, the daily time frame most of the time. Now, after knowing that you are working with just 4 different time frames, which is the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, and 15 minutes. Remember, I said this 4-hour is not so important like that. So you need what? The 15 minutes time frame. Very, very important. Now, why do you need the 15 minutes time frame? 15 minutes time frame is important because when you've done your bigger time frame analysis, which is on the daily time frame, and you're seeing something like this, but you want to day trade. Remember, I told you this is a trading strategy that you need. You want to day trade, and then you are seeing a setup like this, and price is here just like as it is on Bitcoin, but you want to enter the markets. Now, does that mean you have to wait for these all movements? No, you don't have to wait for the all movements to occur before you can, participate, become a participant in these markets. So what do you need to do here? You already have what? The idea that, okay, there's high probability price comes up because this is a major supply zone. Then what you want to work with now, you want to work with your 15 minutes time frame for the what? For the counter trend trade. For the counter trend trade. Then inside this 15 minutes time frame, you can get your intraday setup. You understand? And then you might just want to look for, first of all, change of character. Remember, this is the change of character over here. Yes, that is change of character, because that is the first break of structure after this whole range and the selling movements. You understand? This is the change of character. That is the first thing you want to see. Okay, so that means you are not waiting for 2 days, 3 days before this overall supply zone gets mitigated. Okay, and this trading strategy can actually change your trading career. It will help you boost massively instead of waiting impatiently. Now, after this, you want to make sure what? You are not just entering, because now the selling pressure is much. You understand? Selling pressure is much. So you want to be sure that, yes, I'm ready to what? I'm ready to buy. Okay, so next thing you want to see is what? You want to see it mitigate it and then give you another break of structure like this. Okay, once you've seen the change of character, then you can go for the break of structure. Okay, once you've seen the break of structure, then you've gotten your demand zone around this side. Okay, around this side. Then what are you expecting? Then you can set your pending order over there, and that is the beautiful trading setup. So you can put your stop loss here, and then you target wherever you want to target. You understand? This is very, very helpful, because now you are not stressing yourself with waiting. You understand? So inside this, you've gotten a daily setup. You understand? You've gotten a daily setup that, yes, you are using this daily. You are using this setup for intraday trading. You are not stressing yourself too much on is it going to play out? Is it not going to play out? Your risk management is intact. You've set your parameters according to your trading plan, and now you want to what? Trade intraday or intraday, whichever one. And you're expecting what? Price to tap into this major supply zone. Then when price taps into the major supply zone, instead of stressing yourself with what's it called? Bigger time frame entry, like maybe the 15 minutes, then you can use 5 minutes entry. You understand? But for me, I still love the 15 minutes entry, because it will make you hold trades for a very long time, even during the day. When you've seen something like this on the 15 minutes time frame, trust me, if you see something like this on the 15 minutes time frame, you get at least 60 pips just for that day. 60 pips. Okay, and then you are good to go. So let's enter the charts and let's quickly check some things, because this is very helpful, very helpful. We've got some movements here like this. So now, just like this one over here, let's use this demand zone. Just like this demand zone over here now, right? You've been watching price from here, from this top up to this bottom. Does that mean you are going to wait for the whole sell to take place? No, you can just go down to the 15 minutes time frame. Let's start from there. You can go down to the 15 minutes time frame. You are definitely going to see something. Definitely going to see something. You understand? So this is its change of character first. This is the aggressive move to the upside. This is the change of character first. You can see it's happened after the Asia session. So you have to be very careful. This Asia session is very important. You have to be sensitive. Okay. Change of character below. We've gotten the mitigation already. It didn't mitigate this, but it mitigated the red candle. You understand? It's mitigated the red candle. So it mitigated it 2 times. Then is there a break of structure? There's a break of structure here. Yes, so that is what you are looking for right now. And then stop loss is above here. Okay, so this is the supply zone again. This is the supply zone for the entry. Then stop loss is above, like this. So you have good trading setup over here. You can see just for that moment. But this one now, you can see this one already taking the whole day. But sometimes you can see this is a beautiful ranging market, but sometimes you won't get trades like this. It will sell massively. You understand? Because this one is probably a ranging day. It's probably a Monday. Okay, it's a Thursday. You can see it was ranging, but then if you held, you can see this is 20 pips already, and look at what happened. Boom. So instead of waiting, this helps you a lot. This would help you a lot. It would improve your trading journey. It would improve it. You can see, first things first, you want to wait for the change of character, because that is the first selling break of structure after the aggressive move to the upside. Then you want to wait for another break of structure. Again, clear break of structure that, okay, yes, market is ready to sell. Then you set your instant spending orders. Men looking at this, what have you gotten? You've gotten 1:3. Some people even put their stop loss above the supply, which is nice. That is 1:5. You understand? Oh, this is even the TP, you can see. So as beautiful as that. That is how to catch all these day trading setups. So instead of waiting and waiting and waiting, beautiful day trading setup, you are done. Okay, in fact, with this one you might even be done for the week. Nobody cares. You understand? Then it's a major supply zone, then sold off. This is a major demand zone coming from this demand zone here, bigger time frame. For this place, you can see there was a little bit range and it went up. Then this is the one that we missed. You understand? This is the one that we missed. Okay, now looking at this Asian session is very important. If not for the news, look at what happened here again. If not for the news, same thing happened here, but there was news. The movement was so strong that it caused a spike. You understand? So that is just what I wanted to explain to you guys. It's a very beautiful trading pattern that is common amongst traders, or that is common in the markets, that can change your trading life drastically. So you can see, so this is the major supply zone, and then if you are waiting for you know, if you want to keep waiting, you can keep waiting, but then you can just look for counter trend trades. You can see now, if you are using 1 hour, you can see what is happening. You can see what is happening. The 1 hours are not mitigating. You understand? But let's go to the 15 minutes and look for our change of character stroke break of structure after the Asian session. Okay, so this is the overall sell after we found the supply zone, right? So what do we need? We are looking for what a mitigated demand zone that we can use as what the change of character. Now look at this. Would I use this one as change of character? This is the demand zone here, right? This is the change of character, right? Would I use this as change of character? No, because now there is no break of structure. Okay, there is no break of structure. So what the price came down here, probably to this one. But is there a break of structure? Now there's a break of structure, so this change of character here is valid. Now what do we need again? We need the break of structure. Let me delete that. Let me delete this. Yes, so we need a break of structure, right? Which we've gotten over here. Why is this thing doing like this? Okay, what's going on? We need another change of character over here, which is break of structure, sorry. And did this happen? Yes, it has happened already. Okay, now we have the break of structure above. Now, where is the demand zone? Some people always say this will be the demand zone because it's the most recent, right? People say this will be the demand zone, this is the most recent, but we have a demand zone here. Now looking at this, we have a demand zone here too. Okay, so there are several ways to trade this. First of all, you can risk half here and half here, you understand, which is what I love to do. Sometimes I'll just use the overall zone and then I'll use half of the zone. Okay, like this, the overall zone like this, then I'll use half of the zone, you understand, and I'll use that. Okay, that is what some people do, but for those that use half, that will be here, you understand. So they'll use that demand zone, they'll use that demand zone, and they'll probably put their stop loss here, which is very fine, you understand. Then you can wait for the movements. Okay, so this is very, very powerful, you understand. Then you wait for it to hit your target area. You can see this is a very, very powerful day trading strategy. Remember, you can say but you are holding for days. Remember, day trading is also within the day, but you can hold for at least maximum of what, 2 days, maximum of 2 days. So if you entered here, this is the first day, this is the second day, so at the second day you have already gotten 54 pips. That is very, very powerful. That is very, very powerful, you understand. So these are some little informative content I would love to be sharing later in the future. And if you guys have any question concerning this, let me know in the comment section. If you love this video, make sure to smash that like button. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you get beautiful content just like this one. I hope to catch you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to share with your friend. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.